show. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you how I am decorating my home for the upcoming Diwali festival. I have 4 ideas for you today. I will be also sharing an exciting news with you all. Please watch till the end. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post. So the first one will be a wall hanging decor. I'm using popsicles for that. I'll just make a square. All the ideas that I will be showing today are for people staying outside India especially, because there are some restrictions outside India for the decorations. Like you cannot put a Rangoli on the floor because most of us have carpeted floors or hardwood floor. And then you cannot put light a diya or a candle inside a condo. It's not safe. And also because flowers are pretty expensive here. So if you really want to decorate, then you have to spend a lot of money. So I am showing you some easy ways that you can DIY at your home easily and make like beautiful decorations. So I made 24 set of squares, and then I'm going to glue them this way. And make a pattern. Now I'm coloring it with dark brown because my walls are light color, so it will be prominent. So it will be standing out. Now I am using tea lights. I'll cover them with this beautiful tapes. And these flowers are from my last year's decoration that I had. I will give the link in the description. You can check it out how to make these flowers. Now on the intersections I'll just glue the flowers, and I'll hot glue the tea lights. So my first decoration is ready. This is how it looks. This turned out really awesome. I'm very happy with this one. So the next one will be paper Rangoli, since I cannot use flowers or Rangoli powders, colored powders. I have taken a semicircle cardboard cutout. Then I am using tissue papers, and I'll crumble them and glue them on the cardboard. I've made an outline with a pencil as to how I want to make the Rangoli. I use different color tissue papers to make the Rangoli design. So this is how it looks. The third one would be a paper garland. So I've taken the straight papers and I'll just make a straight stitch in between the paper. And at both ends I will tie something, some rings or anything you have, so that the paper does not come out, the thread does not come out from the paper. And I'll tie knots on this. This garland you can hang it from the wall, you can hang it from the door. I have used this as a design on the floor. I place this way. Now the last one will be a Toran. This is very easy. I have used red glitter paper to cut out the diyas. And then I didn't have golden or yellow glitter paper, so I used this yellow paper and to make the flame. And then I have used glitter on them. Then I will just put a white thread and hang it on the door. I'm not very satisfied with this one. Maybe I'll add some more leaves or something later in between. And now I want to share with you all that my husband, who is also an artist, and I have opened our first online store, Zen Canvas Studio, on Etsy. Please do visit our shop and check out our products that are intricate Modubani paintings and pyrography coasters and magnets. These are perfect gifts for your loved ones this holiday season. Links are mentioned in the description box below. Also, please follow us on Instagram, Zen Canvas Studio, where we share all our upcoming artworks. That's it for today. Hope you liked it. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. Thank you.